Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are traveling from Pune to Statue of Unity, which is situated in Gujarat. So I will be giving you information on Statue of Unity. So please do watch this video till the end. Statue of Unity is an iconic statue which is 182 meters tall, tribute to one of India's foremost statesmen and leaders, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The monument is constructed and located between Vindhyachal and Satpura ranges, rising on Sadhu Bet Island in Narmada River, approximately 3.5 kilometers downstream from the famous Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat. How to reach over here? You can reach by air, by train, and by road. By air, nearest airport is Vadodara Airport, which is around 92 kilometers away from the statue. Nearest railway station is Vadodara Railway Station, which is 92 kilometers. And by road, Statue of Unity is 3.2 kilometers away from the river island called Sadhu Bet and 24 kilometers away from Rajpila. This video is edited on DaVinci Resolve 18. Please do watch whole video till the end and help me growing on YouTube. Thank you for watching whole video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.